There are millions of different types of living organisms in our world, and many more are still being discovered. It would be very difficult to study the living world if not for classification. How do scientists classify living organisms? In order to classify living organisms, scientists study firstly the observable features of the organism. These include features such as the presence of feathers, the number of legs, the type of skin, etc. However, studying external features alone is often not enough. Scientists also need to study the internal structure of the organism. Using the observable features of an organism, we can devise a simple way of classifying them.
If you visit a garden or a park, you would notice that there are different types of plants that are not only pleasing to the eyes, but also rich in terms of biodiversity. From your own personal experience, you may also recall that you've seen different varieties of trees, shrubs, climbers, conifers in different habitats.
But how are plants classified by scientists?
Plants can first be classified into flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants are plants that produce flowers, such as the orchid and balsam plants, while non-flowering plants are plants that do not produce flowers.
They include mosses, ferns, and gymnosperms.
The world of animals is even more diverse than the world of plants. How are animals classified by scientists? The animal kingdom is first divided into vertebrates, or animals with backbones, and invertebrates, or animals without backbones. Vertebrates can be further classified into 5 classes. These are fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. What are keys? Keys are simple guides to help you to classify or identify an organism. In constructing a key, we try to divide the group into 2, based on the presence or absence of a feature. Here is one example of a key for classifying vertebrates. Based on the first question, does it have scales on its skin? Vertebrates can be split into 2 groups. In this way, we can go on splitting the groups until we have come to the final group or class. Besides classification, keys are also used for quick identification of an organism.